At Promat, we want to bring our customers the fire-stopping solution that meets their expectations, offers them 100% peace of mind, and we are tailoring our offer to the needs of the market. In the last 5 years, we have carried out about 100 fire tests of fire-stopping penetrations and joints. This time, we tested penetrations and linear joint seals in sandwich walls. The products we use to protect the installation passages are top-quality certified fire protection solutions. These include fire-stopping coatings, collars and sealants, but also coated mineral wool boards. The preparation for such a test takes about 50 hours, and the chosen pipe end configurations as well as the placement of the thermocouple must comply with the standards. The test of the PVC pipe is carried out in a UU configuration, that is, ends open in the furnace and outside it, so that fire and high temperatures affect the pipe along its entire length. The plastic pipe softens once it has reached the right temperature, and the fire stop product placed around it in the form of a warp or collar expands and fills the gaps in the partition once the plastic pipe has burned away. Smoke during this test is normal, as we are not auditing smoke tightness but fire resistance and insulation. The temperature of the furnace at 90 minutes reaches more than 1000 degrees Celsius. The thermocouple's reading can be checked at any time during the test on the monitor screen. It shows the fire resistance and insulation, that is, the ability of an element to withstand the effects of fire from the exposed side to the unexposed side. We test the fire tightness with the help of a gap gauge, a cotton pad, or optically. This property is considered to be lost when a continuous fire of more than 10 seconds occurs on the unexposed side of the test specimen, or the cotton pad catches fire within 30 seconds of being applied to the test specimen, or when the fire results in a gap exceeding the permissible dimensions. Any deviation, no matter how small, results in a narrowing of the application possibilities of the solution. Sometimes, to reach correct fire resistance class for some penetrations, you need to repeat your test and improve solutions in order to assign an appropriate fire resistance to the tested solution. Unsurprisingly, these tests bring a lot of excitement to the people running the project and to the Institute's employees. Do you want to keep up to date with our tests? Please visit promat.com and like our social media accounts, where you can find all the content we prepare for you. See you!